Hello, in this video I'm going to present the MyWayOS test drive builder. The test drive builder is just a script which will set up a virtual machine with MyWayOS core components. Don't expect a final product at this stage, you'll just get a virtual machine that you can use to test the system. There isn't much on it right now. You get an ArchLinux 64 bits plus a set of desktop components. So for now, what you need for test drive builder, you need to get HashiCorp Packer, which is an utility for building packages. You just need to get the binary for your platform. You need VirtualBox, which will be used to run the virtual machine, the build process and the final virtual machine. And to install, you need to get the test drive builder, which I have on my machine and which I'm going to run. Okay, I can show you the contents. Mostly you have a build script which doesn't do much more than calling Packer with the machine configuration. Okay, it will download a custom ArchLinux ISO which is on my Dropbox. It was the best I could do now, but it does MD checksum validation, so it should be okay. It sets up some properties and it calls the installation scripts. Now let's just run. Okay, it will fetch the ISO if it's not available locally. It will start VirtualBox for booting the ISO. This will have a virtual disk, and this will install from the ISO to the virtual disk. You don't have to do any installation. It's all automated on this stage. You just need to wait a little. It will log in into the virtual machine and it will take care of partitioning. Okay, it's already doing it. As you can see, it's already it created a partition, and now it's just fetching the ArchLinux packages and it's installing. Well, I'm using a Squid proxy to make sure, because I've built several times, so I'm using a Squid proxy to make the process much faster. Anyway, it will still take some time, so I'm going to pause the recording now, and I will get back when the download is completed. Okay, I'm back. At this stage, it will shut down the temporary virtual machine. It did install all the required packages, and now it's exporting to an open virtual machine format, which will be able to run in VirtualBox. This will just take some time. Okay, so the VM was exported, and we can now use it for testing. Okay, you see on the output directory you have an open virtual machine. You can just open it with VirtualBox. You'll need to import the virtual machine. This takes a few seconds. Okay, and it's ready. We have a MyWayOS machine to test. Let's just start it. As I said, there is not much in here to see right now. It's just ArchLinux. Okay, it started with the display manager. Well, it's set to be used as root. It's for testing only. Don't use it for productive use, and you don't need a password just log in. Okay, and you have VM running. You can now, the first thing that I'm going to do is set up the keyboard, because it was not asked, and I need my way out, which is Portuguese. This is really easy to set up with Cinnamon. It's running Cinnamon. Oops, sorry. Portuguese. To add, and I can remove English. Okay, it's done. No. Sorry, I'm typing the wrong English. Okay, you can Terminator, it's installed. You can use Terminator on it. It's an empty VM, and I didn't test Firefox. Let's see if it works. It's running as root. It's not something you should do. Well, but it's working. As you can see, you can expand. Okay. Not everything works as expected, but you can switch to full screen mode, which I'm not sure recording will support. Let me try it. Okay, I don't have the machine properly set up. So I switch anyway. It's working. I hope you can see it. And now I'm going out of. Okay, and that's all. I hope you like it.